The final stack we'll sample is using our alerting strategies. So in Coralogix, there are many different kinds of alarms that one can generate in order to get the best possible message when something has gone wrong. So here's some examples. Lots of these alarms come directly from the extension, so you will get these simply by deploying the extension. So ADS response poor performance greater than 60 seconds for a significant portion of time. Here's an example. You see this actual metric here is based on a recording rule. It's generating the data. We average how long it's taking, and we see if it's more than 60 seconds for over 20% of the last 10 minutes. So for example, it could be 10 seconds here, 10 seconds there, but if that adds up to 120 seconds within the last 10 minutes, we should trigger an alarm. The reason why you put this, by the way, is in order to prevent random spikes from triggering the alarm, because they can sometimes happen. And you can tweak this and alter this as you need. So this is just an example of how you can use this. This is a basic alarm using the transcoding metrics there. And if we open this up, you'll actually get a preview, and you'll see when this alarm will, which is quite a bit actually. You can see these like large spikes here, which are pretty interesting. So that's just a basic rundown of how to actually define a simple alarm. Let's do another couple of use cases. Another common example is using logs, and you can say whenever there's a vast error present in our logs, trigger this alarm. And that's a really nice way of just immediately understanding what's going on. We've set this as a lower priority because, of course, sometimes vast errors happen. But if you are seeing them, this is a really good investigation point for you to begin with. Now, one of the things you can do again, obviously, is verify the alarm so you can see when it would have fired. Thankfully, we have no instances of vast errors in this account, which is very nice. Alerting is really powerful in Coralogix for a number of reasons. One, because it's in-stream, meaning the alarms fire much faster. And two, there are lots of different kinds of alarms that we'll explore that kind of show you how this feature works. Now, if you're not familiar with the different types of alerts that are available in Coralogix, you should go and check out the Getting to Know Coralogix course. That will give you a rundown of each of the different alert types, how to use them, different configuration options, their relative strength, and when they're most appropriately utilized. All of them apply across the elemental stack, and even though we're only going to cover a few of them as part of this course, it's very important to recognize that these are tools in your set, and the better you understand them, the more positioned you are, the better positioned you are to respond to an issue ahead of before it becomes an incident. So let's get started with some of the example alerts.